I'll guide you through how to remove facial verification in Binance so you can use your password or 2FA for login instead of your face scan. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Binance recently started requiring facial verification for login and certain actions, but you can disable this and use a simpler, less intrusive password or two-factor authentication instead. Here's how. First, launch the Binance app on your phone. Tap the three-line menu in the top left corner to access the hub. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner to access your account information dashboard. Tap on Security to manage your account protection features. Tap Passkeys Biometrics. Locate your facial recognition entry, then tap the delete icon next to it to remove this login method. Follow the prompts and enter your password to confirm the security change. For maximum security, facial verification is a Binance security feature that is often cannot be fully removed because it is mandatory for Know Your Customer or KYC and large withdrawals. Be aware that disabling advanced security features like facial verification can lower your account's protection and will require a password or 2FA instead. If the option to remove it is unavailable, you can contact Binance support directly through the app for further assistance with your verification settings. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.